This week, Milwaukee Public School students will take part in a very special exhibit that's part of a national conversation. It explores the identity of young boys of color. And David Castillo, who is with the district's Black and Latino Male Achievement Department, joins us now to talk about the event. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me here. So it's the Art Star Portrait Project opening exhibition. It runs from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Kenilworth Square East Art Gallery. Just a little bit about the project. It's focused on positive. It aligns with one of our strategic priorities of positive narrative change campaign. And really what we want to do is we want to provide our young men a platform of self-determination where they could share with the world how they want to be seen. And the whole premise of it, it's really providing them a platform where they're free from a world of stereotype, given the narratives that exist about Black and Latino males.
Why is that so important, especially for young students here in Milwaukee?
I think it's real important. I'm a big research head and I look at research a lot. Like I really do. Like I'll be in bed sometimes looking at research. But it really, there's research about stereotype threat. And it's important research to look at because what you find is whenever there's those narratives that exist that are stereotypical, and our young people are presented with it, kind of like the self-fulfilling prophecy. What the literature says is you'll see that like our youth will respond to what the expectation of them is. And what makes this so important is we're providing them a platform, kind of like what I just hinted on, is like they're free from that world of stereotype. They're in a place where they're humanized, where they can tell their stories and hear those stories to understand what it is that our young men need to be successful.
And they're going to share their stories tonight. Tonight is your kickoff event for this week's exhibit. Your kids are really excited. You've spoken to some of them already. What are they saying?
I know for them, not just through the creative workshop sessions that we had with them, but also like when they reach out to the team or people from Art Star to Turnaround Arts Milwaukee, they love that there's also research on healing-centered engagement, and they've spoken to what they really loved about the space was it provided them a opportunity for them to really talk about things that they haven't talked about. You know, when we talk about mental health and the stigmas around mental health, especially for communities of color. And really this project has provided them that opportunity to really talk about some traumas that they've had in their life, some struggles they've had, and hearing from other men of color, me being a man of color myself and other people that were involved in this, on how they navigated those tough situations when they've encountered them. That's got to be really powerful. Thanks so much for coming in, David. And you can find more information on our website about the exhibit. Just head to tmj4.com. It kicks off tonight at 5 p.m.